Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook steak on the grill. First, select a good cut like a ribeye or New York strip, aiming for about 1 1/2 inches in thickness. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving that beautiful, crispy crust. Then, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper, creating a robust flavor foundation. Prepare your grill by preheating it to a high temperature, aiming for about 500 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Establish a 2-zone fire, with one area for direct, high heat and another for indirect, lower heat. Place the steak directly over the high heat and sear it intensely for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, developing a fantastic crust. After searing, move your steak to the cooler, indirect heat zone of your grill to finish cooking. Insert a reliable meat thermometer into the thickest part of the steak, ensuring it does not touch any bone. Continue cooking until it reaches your preferred doneness, for example, 130 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare, pulling it off a few degrees early. Once your steak reaches the desired temperature, transfer it to a cutting board and tent it loosely with aluminum foil. This resting period is absolutely crucial for a juicy steak. It allows the muscle fibers to relax and reabsorb the flavorful juices. Let it rest for a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes, ensuring every bite is tender and moist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.